Friday, May 31st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Final day of May upon us and more of the same in the weather department. Let's take a look this morning just prior to 5 a.m. over in Beaufort. 73 degrees there. The wind pretty light out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour. It was another warm day yesterday. Look at all the 80s on the board. 85 in Greensboro, 84 again in Charlotte. 88 in Roanoke, Columbia, and Fayetteville at 89, 70s in a lot of mountain spots yesterday. And currently it's 60s, even some low 70s. A little bit cooler in the mountains, but it is definitely a mild, very muggy feeling type of Friday morning out there. There's your dew point temperatures well up into the 60s in many spots, so it does have that muggy quality to the air out there. No rain again here this morning. Let's take a spin around the radar. It's been another active past 24 hours. Right now some rain in Wisconsin, Michigan, down into Illinois and Indiana. Some thunderstorms involved as you go further to the south. Still a tornado watch in parts of Arkansas. Big mass of rain and embedded thunderstorms there. You can see the activity in Arkansas. Severe thunderstorm warning west of Little Rock, and several severe thunderstorm warnings in parts of Kansas, moving into Missouri as well. It was another extremely active weather day yesterday. Look at all the storm reports. That's the hail, wind, tornado, and flash flooding reports all compiled onto one map there, and there were a whole lot of them all the way from the Great Lakes down into the Ozarks and the southern plain states. And today, unfortunately, is going to be another big severe weather day. That's a moderate risk over Oklahoma into southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. Big slight risk surrounding that. So that front will again be active today with showers and thunderstorms. Around here, pretty quiet. I can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. Stormcast is still pushing that idea, but I still think most of it's dry today, most of it's dry tomorrow too. But by the time we get into Sunday and Monday, we will have better shower and thunderstorm chances, especially Monday, but as early as Sunday afternoon, some showers and storms becoming possible. And I'll show you very quickly the GFS rain totals for this incoming event. Not a huge rain event, but we could pick up a half to 1 inch of rain when it's all totaled as that event unfolds for us. In the upper levels, there's your trough out west, moving through the plain states. By the time we get out to 78 hours, it's swinging into the eastern parts of the country. And then later on next week, ridging develops overhead again, but some trouble brewing down in the Gulf of Mexico. I'll show you more of that in just a second. There's that front Sunday early evening. You see the showers and storms trying to make it to roughly Interstate 85 or so. And then certainly Sunday night and Monday we'll have good chances for showers and storms as the front pushes through. Then a cooler, kind of quiet setup, more of a maritime flow as we get toward the middle parts of next week. The easterly flow off of northeasterly flow, then eventually kicking around to an easterly flow off of the Atlantic. Now look at the European here. This is out to Saturday evening of next week. Gulf low forming, moving toward the central Gulf Coast on the European model on the GFS. It moves toward central Florida and then right on up into our region by Saturday of next weekend, the 8th. So that'll be something to keep an eye on. See what happens there in the Gulf of Mexico. Probably not a setup where that can become a strong tropical system, but wherever it moves, it could wind up producing some pretty good rains. We'll see. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.